Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal to secure your account with MFA, full guide step by step clearly. To register with PayPal and secure your account with multi-factor authentication, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official PayPal website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose whether you want a personal or business account, then click Next. Fill in the required fields such as your email address and a strong password. Review your password for any weaknesses to ensure it's secure. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will be prompted to provide additional personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Complete the fields accurately and click Continue. PayPal will send you a verification email to confirm your email address. Open your email inbox and find the email from PayPal. Click on the verification link included in the email. Once verified, log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Go to the settings icon, typically found in the top right corner of the page. In the settings menu, select Security. Look for the section labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on Update to start the setup for multi-factor authentication. You will be given the option to receive a code via text message or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen prompts. If you choose text message, enter your mobile number and click Next. You will receive a code on your mobile device. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Confirm. If you choose an authentication app, you may need to scan a QR code with your app. Follow the instructions to input the code generated by your authentication app. Once confirmed, multi-factor authentication will be enabled for your account. Remember to keep your recovery codes in a safe place for future access. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now secured with multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.